Hello everyone, welcome to NISHANA'S recipe notes. Today I am before you with an oats recipe. Overnight oats is a healthy, delicious recipe and also easy to prepare. This is a popular breakfast choice too. And let's see the ingredients first. Half cup of oats. Here I use the Cocker brand. Then 3/4 cup of boiled milk. Some chopped dates. Now let's prepare. For preparing this, here I have taken a glass container. We can add the oats into this glass container first. Next, pouring the milk into this. Now let's add the dates. Dates is a natural sweetener, and if you're adding dates, we need not add any kind of artificial sweetener into this. Combine very well. Place the lid, tight it, and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Next morning, take it out of the refrigerator. Check the consistency. See, all the liquid is absorbed by the oats. Now let's add some chopped fruits and nuts as topping. Here I use apple, banana, pomegranate seeds, and some almond and pistachios. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of honey also into this. This is completely optional. If you don't want to add honey into this, you can avoid this step, no problem. Now give all them a good mix. So our overnight oats is ready to serve now. This is tasty, delicious, and very easy to prepare too. So all of you should try this recipe, and this is very beneficial for your heart health too, and this is used as a weight loss recipe. So my dear friends, did you like today's recipe? If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share the video. Those who are visiting my channel at the first time, please click the subscribe button and bell icon for getting notifications on my updates. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another recipe.